Good morning, Mr. CEO. My name is Akhil Ganesh, and I'm currently pursuing MBA at School of Management Studies, CUSAT in Kochi, and I am basically coming from Alappuzha. And my dream job is to work in Goldman Sachs, one of the world largest banks in the world, and I am particularly drawn attention to in these financial institutions based on its innovation and its continuing success. And I believe my unique blend of knowledge both in legal and business expertise helps the challenges, especially the legal challenges faced by this global financial institution. Um, I completed my BCom in computer application from Kerala University through district education in 2017 with a specialization in computer application. Later, I joined for a 3-year LLB at a Government Law College, Trivandrum. Later, I enrolled as advocate in November 21st, 2021, and I have the privilege of working under the Alappuzha Bar Association as an advocate for almost 4 months practice actively. Then I got admission in LLM from National University of Advanced Legal Studies Kochi and completed my postgraduate in law in 2023. Later I worked in Kerala High Court as an advocate for almost 1 year before joining MBA. So MBA from CUSAT helps to further enhance my knowledge in business and financial management, and LLM, my postgraduate in law, helps to understand legal expertise in a particular field. So my unique blend of knowledge both in law and business will help your institution in this challenging world, and I am eager to contribute my skill at your institution and learning from experienced professionals from your institution also. So thank you for your time and consideration. Thank you, sir.